Inktober 2019, Husky. So I didn't do any brainstorming on this one like I should have, but I did do some research on the internet. I I knew that I wanted to do a husky dog appearance, make my skull look furry. I drew it out ahead of time before the video. Sorry you missed that part. But then I started basically just drawing one little hair at a time, trying to give the effect of fur, but also trying to create the appearance of a husky dog and the markings on a typical husky's fur. And one of the most prominent things that I can see is the eyebrows, the white above the eyes before it gets gray. So I did that. So in my head, this was a cute and cuddly skull, but in reality, it's going to be, I don't know, kind of creepy looking. But let me share with you, to make this worth looking at, worth watching, let me share with you some nuggets of awesomeness that I've gotten the last couple of days. One was while listening to a Jake Parker video. Jake Parker is the innovator of Inktober. One of the things that he was talking about in his 2015 video, what I got from Inktober, or my Inktober so far, something like that, was he was working on a project and it was intimidating him and he wasn't getting it finished. And so at some point he decided, I just need to finish this to see it either succeed or fail. And I thought that was fantastic. When it comes to art, that's basically what it boils down to, is sometimes we just need to finish a project, to see it either succeed or fail. And the truth of the matter is, if you don't start your project, it's already failed. Okay? I mean, until you finish a project, it has already failed. Not existing is failure in itself. And so I encourage you to get out there and get your projects done. Don't let them intimidate you. Something else he said, and Jake Parker is a pretty amazing illustrator, was he was learning, the way he got started with Inktober was a friend of his was using a particular brush pen, and he wanted to use it, and he started using it, and he did this really nice picture, but he didn't feel like it displayed the confidence that he wanted it to display. And so the only way for him to get better was to draw every day. And so he challenged himself to do a drawing every day, and thus Inktober was born. And I thought that was really good. You got to do a drawing every day. In order to get better, you got to do a drawing every day. And so this whole Inktober thing has been really good for me too. I did miss Saturday and Sunday with Inktober. That's why I'm catching up now. Today is actually the 7th, and I should be doing Enchanted, but I'm going to do that after I do this one. And so yeah, my husky is really looking more like a album cover for Kiss. Pretty creepy, but anyway, it's all right. It's not my favorite one so far. I like the blue in the eyes. All the husky pictures that I saw either had blue eyes or really shocking eyes. I'm not sure what colors they all were, but blue was a nice one. So I decided to do that. So it's actually about 5:30 in the morning, and I'm drinking my morning coffee, and it's the best part of my day, drinking my coffee and reading my Bible. So anyway, that's Enchanted. By the way, I also did not get any student work for Build or Husky So that's not on this video, but I'll show you their work when they do Enchanted. Thanks for watching. Your turn to go make some art. Hope you enjoyed Inktober so far and enjoyed Husky. Can't wait to see them. Later.